to make a video call on Viber. Want to see your friends face to face on Viber? Here's how to start a video call in seconds. First, open your Viber app on your device. Now tap open any chat with the person you want to call. In chat screen, you'll see a video icon at the top of your screen. All you have to do is click on that camera. You can also go to your contacts, tap the name and hit the video call button. Make sure you are on Wi-Fi or have a strong data signal for the best quality. And yes, you can even answer video call on Viber desktop too. Now you are ready to video chat anytime and anywhere. And this is how you can make a video call on Viber. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button and also hit on that notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next video.